What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out an AirPods Pro Case by UAG. So here we have a UAG case for the AirPod Pro 2nd Gen. This thing looks nice from a marketing perspective. The box is high quality. It's got plenty of information on the back about the mil specs, the textured grip, sleek design, designed in California, all that stuff. I've been rocking the ESR case for quite a while, but I figured, you know what? I like UAG as a brand. I'm always looking for improved products. Let's check it out. So we're going to break right into this thing and see what's inside. I was kind of surprised there's no marketing material in here or anything like that, but it seems like they got all that out of the way on the outside of the box anyway, so I'm fine with it. Right away, the impressions are the material is nice. It's got a good feel in the hand. It's got plenty of grip. The cutouts are all perfect. They should line up perfectly. It's got a little loop here, I guess, where you can put the clip that they show on the outside of the packaging. The top cover looks fine. They've got a little tape in there to hold it in place. That should do well. I'm not going to pull the tape off yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this, but installation couldn't be simpler. Maybe clean the case first if there's anything, any grime or anything like that on the case. But other than that, you just put the pieces together. It goes on pretty smoothly. They include this little belt clip. I guess you could hang it off the inside of a bag or a belt loop or something like that. I'm a little partial to the lanyards, but this gets it done. You have access to the reset button and all the ports, like I said before. Shouldn't be a problem. They've got plenty of clearance in the back for the hinge to open, and it works just fine. Like I said, I did not take the tape off, but you will absolutely need it because this thing wants to come off. And that's one thing I like about the ESR case. It's got magnets in there to kind of hold things in place. It uses tape as well too, to keep it all together, but I feel like the added functionality of the magnets really went a long way, and I would love to see that integrated into one of these cases. I kind of forgot about that, to be honest, when I was picking up this product. I didn't think about the magnets, but like I said, the hinge clearance in the back is perfect. If you like UAG products and you want something to protect your AirPods Pro 2, this will definitely get it done. Might want to add a little bit more tape on the inside UAG, but other than that, I can't really complain about the product too much. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.